दोस्तों देखते हैं इसमें अंदर क्या निकलता है। What is this, man?
पत्थर ही
something. हाँ पत्थर ही होंगे मगर कौन से पत्थर पता नहीं। अभी दोस्तों ये कुछ मिला है हमें और उनको अंदर जाके दिखाते हैं तो ये है क्या चीज़ ना। देखो क्या है ये, अंदर चलते हैं ओके उनको दिखाते हैं। तो दोस्तों ये इन्होंने सहूलत के लिए ना यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है कि आपका जो पत्थर है किससे मिलता जुलता है, आप इससे मैच कर सकते हैं। तो उसका ये नाम भी लिखा हुआ है, ये है। अब ये पता नहीं क्या है,
ये इससे मिलता है यार।
इससे नहीं, ये इससे तो नहीं मिलता। ये क्या है?
ये इससे मिलता है
सिट्राइन। ये क्या है? ये इससे मिलता है। ये क्या है? ये ग्रीन, ये तो नहीं सरपंटीन। यही है, चलो उनको बताते हैं ये है क्या चीज़। चलें ऑफ कर दो। Hello. Sorry to disturb you again. Would you help us to tell us about, we found this one in the bag?
Absolutely.
What is this? It was matching with some like
Yeah, so why don't I pull these up? You can set everything down. Excellent. So, is there anyone you want to know about right away, or do you want to just tell you?
It's up to you.
Alright, I'll just tell you. So, these four here are all quartz. So these are different types of quartz. So this one is just plain clear quartz. You can see it's got the really nice flat crystal faces on it. That's plain regular quartz. These two, you see how they have this kind of yellowish orange tint? That means that these things are citrine, which is named exactly why you can hear that. Citrus, citrine, French word for pretty much a citrus fruit. This one, you can see it's kind of milky and has a shiny kind of pink tint to it. This is rose quartz. So this is a type of quartz that has aluminum or magnesium inside of it that causes the pink color. This is a type of granite known as red granite. This is made out of three main minerals. Red, which is going to be things like feldspars. The blackish color, which also kind of has this nice flaky structure, is called mica. And then the plain kind of clear white stuff is, again, quartz. This is actually the state rock of Wisconsin. This
It just says regular rock.
Everything's a regular rock if you don't know what you're looking for, but this is actually chert. So chert is the topmost stratigraphic layer in this area. It's very strong rock that sits on top of the more fragile limestone that we have. This actually protected the cave while the cave was forming. So if this layer hadn't existed on top of us, the cave would have already been eroded away and pretty much gone. So you can find these boulders all over the property. This one is a very cool mineral. This is fluorite. So this is the original fluorescent mineral. This stuff glows under a black light. It's a very cool phenomenon. I don't know if this one particularly will glow. It glows very slightly in a very nice blue tone, which is hard to see because we have purple black lights. But if you have a stronger black light, you will see it a lot better. But this one is very unique as well. Yes, any UV ultraviolet light. But this one's unique. This one is also this is a type of calcite. So calcite is the mineral that exists inside the cave. This is what's the main formation kind of structure that all the stalactites and stalagmites are made out of. It's found within limestone mainly. So this is a very strong one.
Yes.
And then this one is actually one of my favorites. You can see it has this kind of yellowish green tone to it. This is something known as serpentine. So it's named serpentine because it's like a snake, green like a snake. But on certain specimens of this kind of stone, you can actually see a kind of snake scale pattern texture to it, which is really quite interesting. The very cool thing about serpentine is that it's not actually just this rock that's considered serpentine. It has a wide range of about 5 different rocks, with it ranging from this kind of milky yellow color all the way to looking like emeralds.
Yeah, you can
It's
get
very, very vibrant.
You can get them.
So any like a expensive one, or no? It's just a regular one.
Resale value.
Value.
Yeah, so the most valuable ones would be things like the quartz, because those are very, very popular, but it all kind of depends on market interest with these kinds of rocks. None of these are insanely high value that you're going to sell and get a huge amount of money back from, but they are unique rocks to add to your collection because they are a good array.
Well, at least something better than nothing. We find something.
Exactly, yes. Something is always better than nothing.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
So would you mind if you give me some small?
Absolutely, yes.
में आपने क्या चूरन डाला है, क्या डाला है?
बस ये रहता है स्पेशल। दोस्तों भूख बड़ी लग गई है, हमने
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
विजिट हमारा मुकम्मल हो गया है। ये देखें,
बिस्मिल्लाह अला बरकतुल्लाह।
ये देखें, ये चिकन लेग पीस हैं और ये हैं वो मेरे लिए, और ये इसमें आए थे अनियन के साथ। ये निसार भाई, ये आपकी बोतल पानी की। अब यहाँ दोस्तों हम फिर थोड़ा सा खाना खा लें, तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं फिर एक थोड़ी सी ब्रेक के बाद। और मेरा इरादा यहाँ पे ड्रोन उड़ाने का भी है, देखते हैं वहाँ पे ऊपर से कैसा नज़र आता है। मुझे लगता है कि ये जोन अच्छा है, इसमें उड़ा सकता हूँ ड्रोन में। तो भूख बड़ी लगी हुई है यार, हम जल्दी से खाना खाएं इंशाल्लाह ताला।